Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are discussing about the Apollonius theorem of your chapter called Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is really very important. Okay, I am saying very important. Okay, so just to concentrate what we are going to solve now. So the Apollonius theorem is depend on such triangle which have the median. Median means from this vertices we have this line segment AM which bisect the opposite side BC into two equal part. That means this side is equals to this side from here to here. Okay, so we can say BM equals to MC. We have to write, so we have to write solution. So here in triangle ABC, AM is the median. AM segment bisect the segment BC. Therefore, we can write that BM equals to MC. BM equals to MC or CM we can write also. It is CM. Okay. Just remember this one because it is going to use in our next part. Then, so we have to understand the statement of the Apollonius theorem first. So what is statement? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of the side BC, see, M is the midpoint of the side BC, that means this segment AM divides BC into two equal parts. That's why we can write BM equals to CM, this one. Next, then prove that, then we have to prove AB square plus AC square equals to twice of AM. AM is AM, this is the median, plus twice of MB square or BM square into twice of BM square, that we had to prove. Then we have given, what is given? In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of the side BC. Okay, this is given, and we have construction. What is to prove? We have this one part that we have to prove, which is AB square plus AC square plus 2AM square plus 2MB or BM square. Then we have constructed, draw the segment AD perpendicular on BC. So this is the construction part. AD is perpendicular on side BC. Okay, because here it forms 90 degree. So for the Apollonius theorem, we had to understand the application of Pythagoras theorem also. In previous video, we have discussed about the Pythagoras theorem for the acute angle and for the obtuse angle. For the acute angle, the application of Pythagoras theorem, we can write that AB square equals to BC square plus AC square minus 2AB into DC. And here for the obtuse angle, triangle AB square plus BC, in triangle we have side BC square equals AB square equals to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. See, एक्चुअल में होता क्या, यहाँ पर हमने ले लिया एंगल C, दिस इज द एंगल C, एंड हमने इसको ले लिया थीटा, बिकॉज ये जो एंगल है इट इज लेस देन 90 डिग्री, सो इट इज एन एक्यूट एंगल. सो एक्यूट एंगल है तो इसमें हम करते क्या है, अपोजिट साइड का स्क्वायर दैट इज AB का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू होता है BC का स्क्वायर विच इज द बेस ऑफ स्क्वायर, एंड द रिमेनिंग साइड में AB का स्क्वायर, ओके, AC का स्क्वायर, एंड देन हम इसमें से सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं ट्वाइस ऑफ BC इनटू DC. दिस इज फॉर द एक्यूट एंगल. देन द मेजर ऑफ द all angle is less than 90 degree. Such triangle are called as acute angled triangle. फॉर BC फॉर ऑब्टूस एंगल, यहाँ पर जो हमने सब्सट्रैक्ट किया है इस पार्ट को हम वहाँ पर ऐड कर देते हैं. दैट्स ऑल. ओके, सो दीज टू एप्लीकेशंस वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन प्रूविंग अपोलोनियस थ्योरम. नाउ इफ देयर इज अ कंडीशन, if AM is not perpendicular on BC, then if AM is not perpendicular on BC, then it will form two different triangle. One is acute angle and another is obtuse angle. Obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so here the angle AMB, therefore angle AMB is obtuse angle and AMC angle AMC is acute angle. Therefore by application of Pythagoras theorem, first for obtuse angled triangle. क्या हो जाएगा ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्राइंगल के लिए? क्या हो जाएगा? AB स्क्वायर इक्वल्स हो जाएगा AM स्क्वायर, AB स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस MB स्क्वायर प्लस हो जाएगा ट्वाइस ऑफ BM इनटू हो जाएगा MD. ओके, इट इज फॉर द ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल एंड विच वी हैव रिटन फॉर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द properties of we can say from the application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have to write AB square, equals to AM square plus MB square plus twice of BM into MD. Just give it equation number 1. How we have written this? By the application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now for acute angle, so in diagram you can see that triangle AMC is an acute angle. Here angle M is less than 90 degree. That's why this triangle is called as acute angled triangle. So for acute angled triangle, from the application of Pythagoras theorem, we can write as AC square equals to AM square plus MC square minus twice of MC into MD. Okay, here we have proven that according to these two application of the Pythagoras theorem, we can write accordingly. Okay, so directly here we can write from the application of Pythagoras theorem for acute angle. So this is for part 1 for obtuse angle triangle. Now the second part for acute angled triangle. We can write that AC square plus equals to AC square equals to AM square plus MC square minus twice of MC into MD. Okay, again give it equation number 2 and write the reason by application of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, now we have equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we have to add both the equation. So by we have to write add equation 1 and equation 2. We get, if we will add this equation, we can write, see, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square equals to AM square plus MB square plus twice of MB or BM into MD plus this part AM square plus MC square minus twice of MC into MD. Okay, since we have in here, this is the median, so we can write BM equals to CM. We have to write BM equals to CM. So here we have to write BM equals to CM. So here instead of CM, see, here we have CM, that is MC, and here again we have CM. So we can convert them by BM. Therefore the equation will become AB square plus AC square equals to AM square plus MB square plus twice of BM into MD plus AM square plus, see, instead of MC we are writing BM. BM square minus twice of, again instead of MC we are writing BM, so BM or MB, so BM into MD or DM. So now this positive part and this negative part will get cancelled, then AM square and AM square will become twice AM square, and MB square and MB square will become twice MB square. Therefore we can write AB square plus AC square equals to AM square into plus AM square is twice AM square plus MB square plus MB square is twice MB square, and यही हमको प्रूफ करना था. Okay, so we have to write hence proved. So this is the Apollonius theorem. Okay, so students, अपोलोनियस थ्योरम बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. So for better understanding, just keep repeat this video once so that you will understand each and every concept easily. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.